Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make restaurant-style scrambled eggs. Achieving perfectly fluffy and creamy scrambled eggs is simpler than you might think, and it all starts with the right ingredients and tools. You will need 2 to 3 large eggs per person, a small amount of butter, and a splash of milk or cream. A good non-stick pan and a flexible rubber spatula are also essential for success. The secret to light and airy scrambled eggs begins with proper whisking. Crack your eggs into a bowl, adding a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper. Whisk them vigorously for about 30 seconds, incorporating air until the mixture is light and slightly frothy. Then, stir in 1 tablespoon of milk or cream for every 2 eggs. This adds richness and helps create a tender texture. Now for the cooking. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in your nonstick pan over medium-low heat until it is fully melted and shimmering. Pour in the whisked eggs. The key here is gentle, continuous stirring with your rubber spatula, scraping the bottom and sides of the pan. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes, allowing soft, creamy curds to form. Do not rush this step. Patience ensures a moist, not dry, result. The final steps are crucial for that restaurant-quality finish. Remove the pan from the heat just before the eggs are completely set. They will continue to cook slightly from residual heat. Stir in an additional ½ teaspoon of butter for an extra touch of richness and shine. Garnish with fresh chives or parsley for a vibrant, professional presentation. Serve your perfectly scrambled eggs immediately on a warm plate to enjoy them at their absolute best.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.